on operations, vehicle maintenance, regulations, and information technology you need to stay ahead. But that's not all. With its monthly print publication, daily and weekly email newsletters, and a website updated several times a day, Fleet Owner has all the latest news and information delivered to you when you want it and where you want it. From industry experts to award-winning writers and columnists, Fleet Owner is the #1 source for trucking information in North America. Remember to visit fleetowner.com every day for the latest industry news. You can also sign up to receive Newsline, their free email newsletter, and subscribe to Fleet Owner magazine. Visit fleetowner.com. Fleet Owner, for news you can use.
Texting privacy policy and terms and conditions posted at textplan.us. Texting enrolls for recurring automated text marketing messages. Messaging may reply, stop. Go to getrvawindows.com for full offer details. Homeowners, do you know when to replace your windows? Feeling too hot or cold? It's time to replace. Can't see through fog between the glass? Time to replace. Spending too much on expensive energy that literally goes out the window? It's definitely time to replace. If you put off replacing windows in your home because it's too expensive, here's great news. You can now get a free in-home window consultation and free price quote from Renewal by Andersen, the company with the most 5-star reviews among leading full-service window replacement companies. And during their Black Friday sale, you can save $355 off every window and $910 off every door. Just text HEAT to 323232 for your free consultation on top quality affordable windows or patio doors for $0 down, 0 payment, and 0 interest for a year. That's right, you'll pay a dime for an entire year. Plus, you can save $355 off every window and $910 off every door. But hurry, this offer ends November 25th. Text HEAT to 323232 right now. Don't go into winter with drafty windows. Text the word HEAT to 323232. Don't wait. Text HEAT to 323232.
Veterans, whatever you're going through, don't wait. Reach out. Find resources at va.gov/reach. That's va.gov/reach. Brought to you by the United States Department of Veterans Affairs and the Ad Council.
KSFO's Ben Shapiro.
We are over the moon about Joe Biden's student loan bailout. You got Bernie. This is great. I wish that I just told him everyone's that credit card, that housing, that everything should be free. After all, I've never held a job my entire life. Of course, Bernie loves it. AOC, like, she loves it. I mean, this is like amazing. AOC, oh my God, like, she used to be a bartender, and like, oh my God, when you bail things out, it doesn't like make things more like expensive, like at anything like. But the important thing is Instagram.
See, Shapiro welcomes liberal voices. Weeknights at 9 on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Social distancing slows the spread of coronavirus. So if you have a fever, dry cough, and shortness of breath, call your healthcare provider before going in. More info at coronavirus.gov. Let's all do our part, because we're all #AloneTogether. Brought to you by the Ad Council.
Red Eye Radio on Talk Radio 560 KSFO.
He's Eric Hurley, and I'm Gary McNamara, 866-90 Red Eye, if you would like to get in. All right, I don't want to do that hour again. Can we talk something? Can we do one of the old talk radio questions instead of having to dissect a federal court decision, which is like doing calculus with physics? Why are Democrats so horrible? It's 866-90 Red Eye. Democrats only. But the toilet paper, top or the bottom?
Let me say this on the HEROES Act. Basically, where the judge fell out was that the defendants, the administration, was basically saying, as you mentioned earlier, that the HEROES Act essentially is exempt from the procedural issues, right? It's exempt from procedure.
Right. Yes.
Well, the plaintiffs dispute that and say that the HEROES Act does not authorize the program, which is the student loan forgiveness.
Right.
And so he writes that because the court must assume for the purpose of the standing analysis, the plaintiffs are correct on their merits that the program was promulgated in violation of the APA, which is the basis of the procedural issues. Yeah.
What I mean is the administration, they're the ones that opened the door.
Yes.
They opened the door by how they did it to allow, if they hadn't done it, this court case, by the arguments they're making, would have been dismissed.
Well, that's it. And so I would wonder, is the next policy move or administrative move, are they going to try and issue a new executive order based on the HEA, the Higher Education Act, and finding a loophole there? I don't know. But the HEROES Act basis likely would not be used.
This is Red Eye Radio on Westwood One.
Check out all the latest in news, events, trucking information, and podcasts at Red Eye Radio's website at redeyeradioshow.com. That's redeyeradioshow.com.
Since 1922, Mystic Lubricants has been providing superior performance and protection for farmers who demand the most out of their equipment. Today, Mystic continues to develop products in real-world conditions that are specially formulated to meet the unique demands of your specialized machine. They provide advanced protection for engine longevity and are the choice of people who make a living working the land. Learn more about Mystic products at mysticlubes.com. That's MYSTIK lubes.com.
Do you suffer from lower back pain? Whether it's the dull, nagging ache you get from working on your feet all day, or that sharp stabbing pain you experience driving down a bumpy road, that awful feeling can radiate all the way down your leg and completely ruin your day. But there's good news. A unique formula called Maximum Strength Back Aid is available with powerful medicine that effectively relieves temporary minor lower back, leg, or joint pain and stiffness. Maximum Strength Back Aid helps relieve the pain of inflammation and the pressure-related discomfort that can radiate pain down your legs, like with sciatica. Back Aid's 6-hour formula provides maximum strength over-the-counter pain relief. That's why customers consistently rate Back Aid 5 stars. Get effective back pain relief. Join the thousands who have found 5-star relief with Maximum Strength Back Aid. Go into a Walmart or CVS now to get Back Aid in the blue box in the pain relief aisle. Use as directed.
Sponsored by Alma Amco.
Red Eye Radio and our sponsors are devoted to trucking safety. That's why we are proud to bring you the Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club. We've been saluting drivers who have surpassed the million-mile mark with preventable, accident-free driving. By reaching this milestone, you can be a part of an elite club of drivers who share remarkable safety records and demonstrate superior driving skills. If you or someone you know is a truck driver with 1 million miles or more of driving under your belt without a preventable accident, register online at redeyeradioshow.com. That's redeyeradioshow.com. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club would not be possible without the generous support of the fine folks from Petro Stopping Centers, House Lubricator, Motel 6, the St. Christopher Fund, and Cat Scale. We applaud the individual truckers and fleets who drive with care and keep our highways safe. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club, devoted to trucking safety. Register online at redeyeradioshow.com. Follow The Trucker on social media for the latest trucking news. Follow us on Facebook at The Trucker Newspaper, on Twitter at Trucker Talk, or on Instagram at The Trucker Media. Join The Trucker, along with truckers across the nation, to keep up with resources you need to succeed in the industry. Visit us on the web at thetrucker.com, or pick up a free copy of our newspaper at one of almost 400 truck stops across the country. That's thetrucker.com.
Sponsored by the Trucker Media Group.
This is Talk Radio 560 KSFO.